Hey guys, welcome to Walking the Dog vlog #1. This is the first and last one. Wait, I gotta zip my jacket. Okay, there we go.
Hey, that wasn't your jacket.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, so we have a dog, and he. No self. Oh, you got trolled. Yeah, you saw that. So did I. So I'm gonna nick myself.
Guys, look at me.
It's a dog.
Look
Hello.
at me.
The dog does not care about you or your
All right, guys,
emotional
you have to
support.
put it in the comments below. Should I upload this to YouTube? Yeah, if you're stupid enough to even comment, because, yeah, hasn't been uploaded yet. Why is it zoomed in so much? Like, oh, it's not for you. No self.
Yeah, no,
Oh,
self-team.
you saw it. All right, somebody just yell
Are you
finale.
choking?
Yell finale.
Are you choking?
Me?
Yeah.
Ready? Look
No
at my
balls.
camera. Okay,
I'll do
listen.
it too. I'll do it.
This one's for the boys.
3, 2, 1.
Finale!
Dude, she looked at us.
She said, "What the heck?"
Where'd the dog go? Oh shit!
You an idiot.
No, I actually couldn't see.
We screamed finale, and this is like, where'd the dog go?
Guys, oh shoot, we have to be censoring this.
What?
We're not allowed to show these.
Okay.
Oh shoot, it's a car. Oh, bro, the glare is so bad. Like I can't even see.
Okay,
that's the end of
film by her.
That's the end of the dog vlog video.
Okay, just wait here. DJ, let's go.
Oh yeah, I'm getting left. Bye.